Hey folks, welcome back to the shop. I recently picked me up one of these Vessel ball grip screwdrivers. So I've heard a lot about these, a lot of good things. This is my first one, so we're going to check it out and take a look at it. As you can see, it's Japanese made, so everything on here is in Japanese. I guess this is the official straight from Japan version, because look at there, all Japanese. Yeah, anyway, so they're magnetic. We've got 3 sizes of Phillips, a number 6 slotted, and 2 of these posi drives. 110 millimeters long, I think, is the actual bits, and then the ball grip handle. Now they make a ton of different configurations. They've got them in ratchet drive, and then they've got some that are just regular screwdrivers that are all one piece, but thought I'd try out the the removable bits. You know how we like those cool removable stuff. So there's your posi drives, it looks like. 1 each there. Well, I guess you don't get a locking detent in there. It just kind of holds in there, which is different. Unlike the Kleins, which kind of clip in there and you got a little pull to them. So yeah. But as you can see, maybe they're definitely magnetic. A lot of magnetic feel to them. Very nice though. The ball grip, I tell you, it's a different feel, so, but it feels comfortable. I mean, you could really get down there. Plus it's a compact little model, so you don't get that 8 inches of screwdriver on there in case you need to get in somewhere tight. So yeah, there you go. It's the Vessel 220W. It says made in Japan there. The bits look quality too. I mean, they're coated. They got a nice finish on them. There's your number 3 Phillips, number 1 Phillips, and then they got a number 2, and there's your number 6 slotted. And you can see the writing there. They give you the markings on there. So number 1 and number 3, number 2 and number 6. And this is the PZ2. I think that means posi drive. I'm not exactly sure what that is. I know it's got the Phillips with the little star kickouts on the side. And I believe, if I remember correctly, that was started overseas somewhere. I think maybe not Japan, but that's one of the newer kind of Phillips bits. So anyway, yeah, there's the Vessel ball grip screwdriver with 3 included bits. Feels nice. We'll try it out and give you some more on the job training kind of thing. Anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching.